I'm thankful for today. I rise and shine. With gratitude, this life is mine.
I had quite a busy day, and I wish I could. I mean, I'm a new YouTuber, so I can't even carry the film every single thing I do. But I did a little decluttering today, and I did a little decluttering today, and just tried to get rid of a lot of junk and whatnot, things that I don't need anymore. Some of them I took to the Salvation Army, and a few I put on my Poshmark closet online. So I've been using that closet for, I don't know, maybe about 5-6 years, and it's been very useful. I just clean it up, take a picture and put it online. So I have quite a number of pictures on my phone. I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna post everything on Poshmark, and there are two sites. I have the boutique that has the new item, then the closet that has a thrifted item. So I'm gonna work on that later today. What else do I have to do? I'm gonna post that. Then I had a wig. I wanted to cut out the lace. Maybe I should do that right now. I just wanted to come say hello before I start working on that wig. Okay. So we'll see. I didn't even have my mic. I was talking without it. There we go. Let me put this. Let me put it far away from my neck. That way you're not hearing me swallow. So guess what? We have a couple of unboxing, but I hope the light in here is alright. So I got this package. I actually ordered this package. It wasn't free, nothing like that. Can you see? There we go. We deliver wellness. We deliver wellness. So here is the first. I was talking about the cleaner. Okay, this is it. So this is called fruit and veggie wash. And every time you go to the grocery store and you put your fruits and veg in the sink in a bowl, this will clean and remove any germs, whatnot, that may be on your fruits or on your vegetable. Use on leafy greens, vegetables, berries, fruits, other fresh produce. It removes dirt, pesticides, and more. Look at that. This is from Melaleuca. So this was the reason that I considered Melaleuca again. And health is wealth. So while I was trying to order this, I figured, since I'm already here, let's get some hand soap and dish soap and whatnot. And that's what I did. This is dishwashing soap. This is lemon, apple, and I thought there were 3 of them. Yeah, there are 3. And tropical. So I got this 3 for the washing dishes. So I'm happy. I'm very happy about that. And see, the reason why I said paying $100 a month is not feasible. This place is so bright. It's a light from this thing. Is because technically I'm not gonna finish 1, 2, 3 in 1 month for me to order again, except I'm ordering something different. That's why I said, you know, I don't think I can do it every month. Every other month, maybe. We'll see how it goes. If I do go ahead, I will let you guys know for sure, because I'm not just going to gatekeep this wonderful product and not tell you about it. Tough on grace, gentle on hands, 99% biodegradable ingredients. So how nice would it be to wash your dishes with something that is not toxic? So that's the dish soap. This is the one for the fruits and veggie. What else did I get? All-purpose cleaner, so I can use this to wipe down the living room, kitchen counter, bathroom counter, and it's concentrated, so I can just mix it with some water and I'm good to go. I love this. This is, I'm always cleaning and wiping down, so I love that I have this. So this is for your bathroom. You can use it to clean around your shower or bathroom sink. Fabric softener. I try to get enough that will last a couple of months. We do laundry once a week, and once a week laundry is about 3 loads, and this is just enough. Okay, what else? Laundry soap, laundry detergent. Oh, look at that. This is a laundry detergent. These are all wonderful products without any chemicals or things you don't want in your home. That's why I said it's a huge transition for me, because you know, we used to just run into the grocery store, running into Sam's Club to just grab this, grab that. But I'm trying to be a little bit more intentional about the things I'm using. At the same time, I want to make sure it's affordable, because if it's not affordable, I really cannot be consistent with the product. I'm going to use it 1 month and then don't use it the next month. So that's why I said I'm hoping that I can afford it long term. If I can't, then I will just maybe buy what I need this month, then next month buy something else. I'm hoping there is no cap. I don't know. Maybe when I talk to someone from Melaleuca, they can explain in detail what exactly I can mix match with, but that's all I got from them. And they have other things. They have food, like seasoning. They have medication, they have lotion and body wash, nail polish, and just other personal care products and stuff. So I'm thinking that that's what I may do next month, assuming I have to order something next month. Hopefully there's no price cap on it, then I can now order body wash. I already got body wash. I started using this body wash called Native, and it's good. The body wash and the hair shampoo and conditioner, it's kind of like 2 in 1. Hair shampoo, conditioner, something like, I can't remember. I started using the Native, the lotion, the body wash, and the deodorant, and it's been very nice. It's been better than CeraVe. I've been using CeraVe for years, and you know, but apparently this is even better than CeraVe without all the ingredients that we're trying to stay away from. God help us all. And here's a wellness insider. Fatigue and slower reflexes appear long before diabetes diagnosis. Interesting. Nearly half of US children breathe air that fails federal standards. Isn't that sad? Exercise and sleep work best together to reduce depression risk. Endless scroll apps linked to attention and mood issue in youth. God help our babies. So that's it for Melaleuca. And like I said, if anybody's interested in Melaleuca and you want to, you can check out their website and see all the products they have. And hey, if there's something you're interested in or you need to know more about it, let me know and I can refer you to someone that can do that. That can do that for you. But I'm really excited about this product. In the spirit of just buying what is convenient and most of the time cheaper, we put our health on the line, and I'm trying not to do that. I have enough to last me a while. I was on Instagram. Oh, let me do this while I tell you guys about what a comment I saw. I was on Instagram this morning and I saw a comment about small businesses not paying for marketing, and I kind of knew where she was coming from, talking about small businesses not wanting to pay for marketing. But as a small business owner, I understand why small businesses wouldn't want to do that. And of course, if you've seen my new videos, you will see if you saw my first videos, then you realize why I started YouTube in the first place. It started off like, a little fun, a little hobby. I enjoy YouTube. I love being here. Every time I come in here to film, it's like I enjoy. With that being said, the purpose or the reason behind it is to help small businesses. This platform is for you and it's for me. This is so nice. Ilus.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, you.
How is you?
How you doing?
Yeah.
Like it does not concern me. My wig came to that's what I was trying on. This is our famous wig.
I have to send picture and post to my group.
I will make up tomorrow. Don't try me. It's been a while. It's been a while. I'm like, I'm gonna dress up, I'm gonna use makeup, and I'm gonna rock my new wig. You silly.
I'm sure you're gonna be looking gorgeous,
Gorgeous. Thank you. How you doing?
She was taking me out for dinner.
Okay.
There's no spots close by here. So.
I start this weekend though.
The bye day.
I post pictures, so I'm always looking forward to your Facebook story. I said, that's my sister. To look for what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Look for a nice dress. Let me try this my pixie hair again. You guys remember this my $20 hair from Amazon? For some reason it looks better today than the first day I tried it on. was giving me sponge vibe. Alrighty, I'm done with everything I need to do today. I just wanted to clean up this place, unbox this Melaleuca products I got, and then style my wigs. So it was a productive day. Declutter, cleaning up, and now I can vacuum this place. And I'm glad it's Friday. Anyway, it's my sister's birthday and a little birthday dinner for her. Alrighty, we'll see you there.
We'll see you there.
So we're meeting you guys there. We'll see you guys at the restaurant.
Yes.
Okay.
We did not communicate.
We did not communicate that.